Did you know that nearly 70% of online shopping carts are abandoned before checkout? And what's the #1 reason customers give for walking away? Unexpected shipping costs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most frustrating challenges for e-commerce businesses, the sight of potential customers filling their carts with excitement only to vanish when they encounter your shipping rates. It's a situation that can be both disheartening and urgent to address. Let's get real about what's happening in those crucial final moments before purchase. Your customer finds products they love and adds them to their cart. They proceed to checkout, excited about their selections. Then they see the shipping costs, and that excitement turns to sticker shock. They close the tab, telling themselves they'll think about it, but we know they rarely come back. That abandoned cart represents lost revenue that you've already invested marketing dollars to generate. The customer was interested enough to consider buying, but your shipping rates became the deal breaker. This shipping-related cart abandonment happens for several specific reasons. Shipping costs that seem disproportionate to the order value. Lack of shipping options to match different customer needs and budgets. Surprise fees appearing only at the final checkout. There is no transparency about delivery timeframes. International customers facing unexpected duties and taxes. Before we dive in, we've partnered with this service because we genuinely believe it can save you money. There's a special link in the description that lets you try it completely free. And if you do decide to upgrade later, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. The service is called Easyship. It's a comprehensive shipping platform that directly tackles the shipping-related reasons behind your cart abandonment rates. Easyship's Rates at Checkout feature is a game changer. It transforms your shipping options from a conversion killer into a conversion booster. How? It displays multiple shipping options with clear delivery timelines and costs, enabling customers to select the one that best suits their budget and timeline. This level of transparency and control significantly increases the likelihood of a completed purchase. Research shows that simply offering multiple shipping options can reduce cart abandonment by up to 28%. When customers feel in control of their shipping decisions, they're significantly more likely to complete their purchase. For international shoppers, Easyship automatically calculates and displays duties and taxes during checkout. No surprises later. This transparency builds trust and prevents the frustration of unexpected charges, which can lead to returns or customer service nightmares. Most importantly, Easyship gives you access to discounted shipping rates from over 550 carriers. Savings you can either pass on to your customers to increase conversions or use to offer free shipping thresholds that make financial sense for your business. Let me share a quick example. An apparel retailer was experiencing cart abandonment rates of 81%, significantly above the industry average. After implementing Easyship's dynamic checkout options and discounted rates, they were able to offer free shipping on orders over $50 and provide economy, standard, and express options for all other orders. Their abandonment rate dropped to 62% within a month, a 19% improvement that translated to thousands in additional monthly revenue. The best part? Setting up Easyship is a breeze. It integrates seamlessly with all major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Most businesses can connect their store and start displaying optimized shipping options in under an hour. It's that simple. And once it's implemented, you'll get access to analytics that show which shipping options customers prefer, allowing you to continuously refine your strategy based on real data from your specific customer base. Once implemented, you'll get access to analytics that show which shipping options customers prefer, allowing you to continuously refine your strategy based on real data from your specific customer base. If your store is experiencing high cart abandonment rates, it's time to refine your shipping strategy. Click the link in the description to sign up for Easyship today. Their free plan lets you test the waters, and you can upgrade to their professional plans with a 14-day free trial when you're ready to optimize your checkout experience fully. Stop losing customers at the final hurdle. Your products deserve to make it out of the cart and into customers' hands. If this video helped you understand the connection between shipping costs and cart abandonment, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce optimization tips. Drop a comment with your current cart abandonment rate. I'd love to hear if shipping costs are impacting your conversions too. Thanks for watching.